Today we are going to study about design and implementation of half and full subtractor using logic gates. Here you can see the diagram of half subtractor and full subtractor. In the earlier video I have explained you about half adder and full adder. The subtractor is similar to your adder, only there is an insertion of one NOT gate in a diagram. Similarly over here and here. How it is done? Now the input A and B is provided over here, which is of 1 bit, is given to an XOR gate whose output is nothing but D. So D is nothing but the difference. Similarly, A is given to your NOT gate whose output will be as A bar. B is given to the AND gate. So to the AND gate we are having the input as A bar and B, where we get the output as B, which is nothing but borrow. This is your borrow value and this is the difference value. These two are the output values, these two are the input values, right? So now we are going to see the implementation of this half subtractor using breadboard. Here is a breadboard which we are going to use. This is our trainer kit which we have seen earlier. Now we are going to do the connection. This is your XOR gate, that is 7486 IC. Next one is your NOT gate. This one is your NOT gate, that is 7404 IC. The last one is your AND gate, that is 7408 IC. So we are going to do connection related to half subtractor. First we will do VCC connection to all the ICs. We are going to provide 5 volt to all the ICs. Pin number 14 is the VCC pin of each and every IC which is available over here. So we will provide VCC in this way. To every IC I have given VCC supply. Now I am going to give ground supply. This is our ground pin. So the ground connection will be given to pin number 7. So this is our pin number 7. Now here we are having the input A and B which is given to an XOR gate. So this is the pin number 1 and pin number 2 of our XOR gate IC. So this is our XOR gate IC. We are going to provide the input as pin number 1, that is your A, and to pin number 2, that is your B. Which is provided to the input over here, A and B. Now D is the output which is connected to an LED. So the third pin of our IC, that is this is your third pin, should be given to an LED. So we are going to connect it to an LED in this way. Okay, now we are having one NOT gate which is given to an A input, right? So where we have given the A input, that is your first pin, you have to connect it to a NOT gate. So this is our first pin and it is connected to a NOT gate. So I have connected now this wire to the first pin of the NOT gate IC. The second pin of the NOT gate IC is an output which should be connected to an AND gate input, first input. This is the first input. Now to the third IC, the second pin, that is this yellow wire, should be connected to B. So here we are having B. So this is now, this is A and this is B. Now the output, that is the borrow, should be given to one of the LED. So we will connect our output. So this is our third wire, that is the third pin, should be connected to one of the LED. I will connect it to, suppose, this 0. So my difference is at my fourth LED. Fourth LED means here I will get the difference, and to the 0th LED I will get the borrow. So it is over here. So now we are going to see the output according to the truth table which is available over here. So we will see the output. First we will apply 0 0. First we will apply 0 0 to the input. At the output we will get 0 0. When we will apply the input as 0 1, this is the truth table which I am executing. When I will apply 0 1, the output is 1 1, means my difference value, when I apply 0 1, difference is also 1, borrow is also 1. Similarly, when I will apply 1 0, my difference should be 1 and borrow should be 0. Same I have got over here. When I have given 1 0 as an input, I have get the output as 1 0. Similarly, when the input is 1 1, output is 0 0. So this is nothing but your half subtractor.